Good morning children. In the last class we have solved some problems related to twin prime numbers, isn't it? Now I have given some homework also. I hope everyone has completed your homework. Now let's learn how to factorizing a number into its prime factor. According to the rule given by Euclid, any composite number can be written as product of prime numbers. For example, 4 is a composite number. You can write this 4 as 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, isn't it? 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Any composite number you can write as product of two prime numbers. 2 is a prime number, isn't it? 6. 3 2s are 6, isn't it? 3 here 3 also a prime number, even 2 also prime numbers. You can write up 6 as 3 into 2, that is product of two prime numbers. 9. 3 3s are 9, isn't it? 3 into 3, like this. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 into 2 into 2, like this, isn't it? That is product of any composite number can be written as product of prime numbers. Now let us learn how to find prime factor of a number. How to find a prime factor of a number. Now I'll take one example. I'll explain with an example. It is 24. I'll take a number 24. Now you have to find the prime factors of 24. That means prime numbers. You have to write this number as the product of prime numbers, like 2 into 2 into 3 into, like that. Are you clear? Now 24 is divisible by which number? 24 comes in which table? Comes in the table of 2, 4, 3, all this, isn't it? 2 how much are 24? 2 12s are 24. This is the first method. There are different methods to find the prime factors. This is one of the method. Here 2 12s are 24. Now write 2 as it is, because 2 is a prime number. Next, can also factorize this 12, isn't it? 12 again divisible by 2, isn't it? 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12. Again 2 is a prime number. 2 you write as it is. 2 is a prime number, write as it is. Again the 6 is a composite number. Again you can factorize the 6, isn't it? That is 3 how much? 6. 3 2s are 6, isn't it? 6 is divisible by 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6. Are you clear? Now you will get the numbers 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Again you can take any number to factorize this 24. Can take even 24 is divisible by 4, isn't it? 4 how much are 24? 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Again 4 is a composite number, even 6 is a composite number. These can simplify this. 4 how much are 4? 2 2s are 4, isn't it? Even 6 is also a composite number. So 3 how much are 6? 3 2s are 6, isn't it? Now you'll get the same number 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Are they same? Yes. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Here also it is same, isn't it? Can take any number and you can factorize 24. Like 24 is also divisible by 3, isn't it? 3 how much are 24? 3 8s are 24. 3 is a prime number, write as it is. And 8 again you can divide this 8, isn't it? 8 8 is divisible by 4, isn't it? 4 how much? 8. 4 2s are 8. Again 4 can be divisible by 2, isn't it? 4 is divisible by 2, that is 2 2s are 4. Again write 2 as it is. Are you clear? So 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Again 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Here also if you multiply these numbers 2 into 2 into 3 into 2, you will get 24. That means 24 is a composite number. If you factorize this, you will get prime numbers like this. Are you clear? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. This is one of the method to find prime factors of 24. Now we'll see another method. 24. This method you have to take a small number, that is you have to see whether 24 is divisible by 2 or not. 2 how much are 24? 2 12s are. 24 comes in the table of 2, isn't it? So 2 12s are 24. Again 12 can be again you can multiply 12 is divisible by 2. 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is a multiple of 2, isn't it? That means 6 can be divisible by 2. 2 how much are 6? 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is a prime number. Now 3 is a prime number. It can be multiplied only, it can be divisible only by 3 and 1. 3 how much are 3? 3 1s are 3. Should get 1 here. Are you clear? Now you write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 24. You will get same number 2, 3 times 2 and 1 time 3, isn't it? Is equal to 24. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Are you clear? Now let's see another number. Let's find the prime factor of 45. 45. Now see, 45 is divisible by 5 and 9, isn't it? 5 9 3. Any table you can take. Like I'll take 5. Okay, 5 how much are 45? 5 9s are 45. 5 is a prime number, right, as it is. And now 9 is a composite number. Can write its product. 9 is divisible by 3, isn't it? 3 3s are 9. Now this 3 is a prime number, so I'll write like this. 5 into 3 into 3 is equal to 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45. Again can also factorize using another number, like 45 is also divisible by 3. 3 how much are 45? 3 15s are 45. Again 3 is a prime number, right, as it is. And then 15 is divisible by 3, isn't it? 3 how much are 15? 3 5s are 15. Now you'll get the same numbers, isn't it? 3 into 3 into 5, or 5 into 3 into 3. 3 2 times 3 and 1 time 5. Are you clear? Now you'll get 45. Answer is 45. We'll see another method. So divide 45. So it is 45 is not divisible by 2, isn't it? You can't divide using the table 2. Next 3. 45 is divisible by 3. 45 comes in the table 3. 3 how much are 45? 3 15s are 45. Again 15 is divisible by 3, isn't it? 3 how much are 15? 3 5s are 15. Next 5 is a prime number, so it is divisible by 5 only, isn't it? 5 how much are 5? 5 ones are 5. Now I'll write like this: 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 45. You'll get the same numbers, isn't it? Can solve these problems using any method. Are you clear? Now we'll see practice set 11. In that, factorize the following numbers into primes. That is, first number is 32. Now I'll write 32. 32 is divisible by 4, isn't it? Even 2. 32 is divisible by 2, 4. I'll take 4. Okay, 4 how much are 32? 4 8s are 32. Now again, 4 is a composite number. Again, you can write this composite number into 2 2s are 4, isn't it? 2 2s are 4. Again, 8 is a composite number. Can 8 is divisible by 4. 4 how much are 4 2s are 8. Are you clear? Again, 2 is a prime number. Here write as it is. Even here 2 is a prime number. Now again, 4 2 2s are 4, isn't it? 2 2s are 4. Now you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 2? 5 times 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. This is the method of writing 32 to its prime factors. Are you clear? Next is 57. 57. So 57 is not divisible by 2, isn't it? It is divisible by 3. 3 how much are 57? 3 1s are 3. 3 9s are, isn't it? So 3 19s are 57. So 3 is a composite prime number, and also 19 is a prime number. So you cannot divide it further, isn't it? So 3 19s are 57. Another method, you can find the prime factors using another method also, that is 57. Write like this. To factorize 3 how much are 57? 3 19s are 57. 19 1s are 19, because 19 is a prime number. It is same. 3 into 19 is equal to 57. Next